So in this video, we are going to see a function in C program. So how to write a function in C program, how to write user-defined function in C program, we are going to see in this C program. So first I'm starting with the C program starting line, that is hash include stdio.h, which will include the standard input output header file into the program so that we can use the standard input and output predefined functions like printf and scanf. Then I'm writing void main, which is starting point of execution. So main is the function which will be searched by compiler, and it is the only function which gets executed when we execute the program. So it only statements present in main will be executed. So whatever we write after main or outside main must be called within main for execution. So you can see this is the basic format for C program. Now I'm going to use a user defined function. So what user defined function I want to write, its signature I'm going to write here first. So user defined function prototype or signature I'm writing here, that is nothing but the return type, function name, and the parameters. If there are no parameters, empty parenthesis we need to write, and this is called as function declaration. So before defining the function, we declare it to the compiler. That's somewhere in program we are going to define it. Then we are defining the function. So after main I'm going to define it. So I will be writing the function prototype followed by its body. So in this, I am going to write just printf hi. So when we execute this function, it is going to print hi. But you can see I have given the function declaration, and now I have also given the function definition, which is the second element of function. So function, whenever you are using in your C program, it contains three elements. One is function declaration, then function definition, and then function call. So for execution of any function, we need to call it within the main. So for calling the function, you just require the function name followed by the parameters and a semicolon. So here we write semicolon. So if you do not call the function, and if you just, you can see, compile it, you don't get errors, you run it, and you get empty output. The function is not printing hi because it is not called within main. So for the execution of program or execution of function, we need to call it. So that we will be doing in main in this manner, function name followed by the parameters and semicolon. And now if I compile and run again, then I'm going to get the output as hi, which is the output printed by function display.